Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you think the perfect pair of wide leg linen pants doesn't exist, well, I'm here to challenge you. This pair of pants is so comfortable. I love how wide leg the bottom is. Now, I'm petite. I have a 29-inch inseam, so obviously these are a little long for me when I am wearing flats, but I love the look and feel of these pants. I am wearing a size extra large. I specifically like the fact that there is an elastic in the back half and that there is the detail of a button fly, which gives it a really pretty look, but still makes these pants comfortable. There are two pockets, one on either side. And of course, because these are of a linen material, you are going to expect to get some wrinkles. Misting it with a little bit of water and popping them in the dryer, they come out beautifully. Whether you're walking the beach or walking into dinner, these beautiful wide leg linen pants are the perfect addition to your wardrobe. I'm certain you will not be disappointed, and that is my point of view.